Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can update your payment method on Spotify. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first of all, you need to select the web browser and type in the URL of Spotify, which is www.spotify.com. Once you type in, you will be redirected to its login page. Now you need to simply log into your profile and click on the profile icon. Once you click so, you need to select the account option from the drop down menu. After this, you will lead up to the account overview, which you need to scroll down and choose your plan. Once you see that, you can just simply click on the update button of your payment method. Once you do so, you need to fill in all your credentials and click on the change payment details. So after doing so, you can update your Spotify payment method. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.